scammers. So you're snapping pictures with celebrities. So you get money, you never pay me for my house rent. From today, I'm increasing my house rent from 200,000 where they pay me to 1.5 million.
Oh shit!
You're not going to back out.
1.5 million landlord?
Yes.
Landlord why? Landlord why now?
Landlord. Yeah.
This landlord.
Mazori hubu.
Hello? Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy. How many times I call you? How many times I call you, Don Jazzy? 2 times. Thank you very much. See as I talk to you right now, you see that picture where me and you stand for your mama burial? Hey, Don Jazzy. Don Jazzy, I don't want no more. Because of that picture where me and you snap, now my landlord just come now. Come increase my house rent where I get pay 200,000 to 1.5 million, Don Jazzy. You don't increase them to 1.5 million. See as I talk to you now, Don Jazzy, you see that under bridge where they for Jewel bar. Now there they go end up now, Don Jazzy, once my house rent don't expire. And it's expiring in the next 2 months. Don Baba J. Make I slap my landlord. Make I beat away where. Don Baba J. Landlord,
Marcy, you're still here. Marcy, you don't want to back out of my house. You don't want to back out of my house.
They talk to me.
Yes.
They talk to me.
Yes.
The one you said.
Magic country.